In last 10 to 15 days, I have received so many messages on my Instagram. People have shared their queries and their problems and asked me for my suggestions. I'm really very happy to receive your messages, and I tried my best to reply each and every messages that I have received. The most common problem that people asked was this: how should I overcome my overthinking? And in today's video we are going to talk about this. Now, what is overthinking? When we think about something too much that we cannot think anything else, it becomes overthinking. And most of the time we overthink about a situation which is negative. It can either be in past or in future. As per the studies, there are 75% of the people between age 20 to 35 who are struggling with the overthinking. When the overthinking becomes too loud, it can result in anxiety and depression. There are only two states where overthinking exists. We overthink when we remember any negative past event or when we worry about a negative outcome of a future event. There is only one state which is free from any negative overthinking, and which is the present moment. So if you learn to live in the present moment, you can be free from any overthinking. Just look at the kids that don't have any notion of the past or the future. They simply live in the present moment, and that's why they are the most happy human being on the planet. To overcome the overthinking, we should follow these practices. Number 1, let go of the past. We all know no amount of thinking can change our past. If you hold a bitter past because of someone, some situation, you must have to forgive that someone or that situation. Or if you hold a guilt about yourself, you must have to let go of that guilt. Forgiving does not mean you deciding that what someone else did is okay if it was not. But forgiveness is deciding and letting go of that negativity that doesn't serve you anymore. Forgiveness is for our own growth and happiness. When we hold on the hurt, pain, resentment and anger, it harms us far more than it harms the other person. You can check the Prime Mode meditation on my YouTube channel, which contains a forgiveness exercise that can help you to let go of your past. Number 2, letting go of your future worries. Many of us worry about what will happen tomorrow, but we forget that in reality, no one in this world has seen tomorrow. Whenever you look, it is always today. Accept that you can't control the future. The only thing which is in your control is the present moment. Remember, you can plan for the future, but you can only take the actions in the present moment. Just deal with the things which is in front of you now. If you look back on your life, you will find that 99% of the things you worried about actually never happened. Number 3, live in the present moment. Living in the now is so difficult because we are always encouraged to think about the future or dwell on our past. When you stop living in the past or future, you automatically start to live in the present moment. Living in the moment takes practices, but when you learn how to live this way, you will lead a fuller life and appreciate the beauty in every activity, every second of the day. Here are a few tips to live in the present moment. Number 1, meditate. Meditation produces chemicals in your body that ease your stress, frustration and worry, and leaving you feeling happier and more at peace. Meditation allows you to live in the now. Number 2, mindfulness practices. 5 minutes, 3 times a day, try to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Within 10 days of mindful practices, you will notice a significant change in your thought pattern and also in your awareness of the now. Decide your one goal for the day. Every day, decide a simple one goal for yourself by achieving which you will call it a successful day, and keep your focus on achieving that one and only goal. There are a few more things you can do to get rid of overthinking. Remove distraction from your life. Practice gratitude. Do a random act of kindness. Smile more. Take a pause, look and sense small things around you. Notice the triggers that trap you in overthinking and shift your focus from that trigger to something empowering. Example, you hear a sad song and that song activates a particular negative memory in your brain, and then you start overthinking on that negative memory. Notice it and shift your focus. The benefits of living in the moment are well within your reach. No matter how much your mind is racing, if you stick with these practices, you too will learn how to live in the moment and stop worrying. And when you do, a whole new world will open up for you. So if this video has impacted you, please let me know in comments and please share it with the people you think it will be helpful for. Stay safe. Thank you.